In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the MetaMask bridge without needing any cryptocurrency. This tutorial is designed to walk you through the process using a browser, keeping everything straightforward and simple. So let's dive right in and get started. First, open up your web browser, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, or any other of your choice, and navigate to the official MetaMask bridge website. It's crucial to ensure you're on the authentic site to maintain security, as there are many imposters out there. Once you're there, take a moment to look around and familiarize yourself with the layout. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page where you'll see the Connect Wallet button. Clicking on it will present you with a few options where you'll want to specifically select MetaMask. After you've made this selection, your MetaMask extension should prompt you to approve the connection. Double-check the details to ensure everything looks right before allowing the connection. Now, we're ready to set up our networks. Begin by choosing your source chain under the From Network section. Typically, this might be something like the Ethereum mainnet. Make sure you select the correct network, as this will be where your assets are originally located. Once you have your source network set, look for the To Network section. Here, you'll select the target chain you wish to bridge to. Common choices are chains like Arbitrum, Base, or Polygon. Again, accuracy is key, so be attentive while choosing the destination network. The next thing we need to do is decide which token you want to work with. You'll find a token drop-down, which will open up several choices such as ETH, USDC, or USDT. Simply pick the one you're interested in simulating with, and don't forget, you aren't actually transferring anything yet. In the following step, head over to the amount field. Here, you'll input a mock amount, like 0.01, purely for simulation purposes. This is just to get a feel for the process without using real currency, so there's no need to worry about actual funds moving. Once you've inputted a mock number, you'll notice an estimate of the time, fees, and the amount that you would receive if this were a real transaction. It's an excellent feature that allows you to preview the details without committing. Finally, click on Review Bridge. This action will prompt a confirmation screen to appear from your MetaMask. This is where you could review the transaction if you were conducting one with real tokens. Since we're only simulating, this serves as practice so you can become comfortable with the entire bridging process. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough of using the MetaMask bridge without needing any crypto to start. Hopefully, this video has demystified the process for you, making it a seamless experience the next time you need to perform a bridging transaction. Thank you for following along, and feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need a refresher.